Hey there! If you've been wondering how to start trading in 2025, you're not alone, believe me. Today, I'm going to share my personal trading system, the one I use myself with no complicated theory, no fluff, just step-by-step logic anyone can follow. So today, just practical advices and a good insights. The more insights, in my Telegram channel, but we will talk about this later. Now let's jump into trading. Here's what we're doing today. Be trading on 10-second expirations. Set the expiration time to 10 seconds. After this, we choose M1 time frame. And after this, make sure the candle is set up. And we go to indicator. We're using today super trend, and we change multiplier to 1. Don't miss, not 5, just 1. Okay, we're using just this super trend today. I'll adjust the settings now. ATR period to 10 and multiplier to 1. This is a scalping setup. Here's how it works. A green super trend line means buy. A red line means sell, of course. We follow the direction it shows, simple. So we enter trades 10 seconds after the candle starts based on what the indicator shows, the signal, right? For example, if the indicator shows sell, then after 10 seconds we open to sell, like here in this first trade. Just check. Well, good. We start from profit. That's always good. First trade, and that's nice. For the second trade, we wait until the last 10 seconds of the current candle. Last 10 seconds. And we trade based on the actual candle color. How it's formed during the minute. Like here. Just wait and you will see. If it's green, it's green. If orange, it's orange. First trade based on indicator information. Second one on the color of the candle. Here we open sell position and it's another profit. Yes, that's good. Hey friends, just so you to know, I've spent tens and tens of thousands of dollars testing different scouting concepts, different strategies, and here is just proving one, the best one. I give these insights for free for you, so just give me some feedback with the likes and share this video with someone. It will be great, and yeah, let just YouTube believe that this content is good and that we like it. Please do it, don't be shy, and let's go next. Just like now we're placing another trade. Let's do here, as you can see, that super trend show us buy, so we open buy. Okay, the trade is losses, no problem. We use multiplicator, martingale, as usual, and we wait for our next trade. It's last 10 seconds of the candle. The timing is everything in this strategy. It's proven system. I trade with this many times, and yeah, it's not perfect, but it's very plus strategy. Okay, we open with the same color of the candle, and boom, on my monitor I see a profit. I don't know what you see. Leave your comments. Next trade, it's also the indicator show us buy, and 10 seconds for buy in this position. Quite clear for me. Yes, that's good. So what do you think about the switching the pair or stay to trade here? For me, it's not bad. Let's do another more trade on this candle. Last 10 seconds we're using with the same color what candle show us. Boom, we start the trade. Well, it was close, but it's profit. Haha, that's great, that's great. I hope you understand the strategy, guys. I hope you understand the strategy. The strategy not complicated. That's let me open another trade for you to understand. Because here, as you can see, super trend show us the signals and we use it in first 10 seconds. After it show us last 10 seconds, we use just the color of the candle. That's it. Simple. Yes. But effective. I think it's enough. It's enough for today. Maybe I will open an last trade. Let's wait for last 10 seconds. We in profit today, not bad. As you can see, it's same color, green. And we open. And it's a profit again. You see, it's not a magic trick, but it's really good strategy. Hey, my dear friends, if you watched this so far, you've already taken the first step, very important one. The next step is simple. Try it yourself with my guidance and support. And you know where I can give you more personal support, it's on my Telegram channel. But here I try to do my best to share with you all my knowledges in comfortable format for you. So no rush, no stress, just real learning, real trades and a real community. That's something what we try to create, a real community of people who interested in trading. This thing is more simple. I don't like these complicated strategies. I try to share with you the knowledges in simple language. I hope you enjoy. So give me also your feedback and see you in the next video. Peace.